Hello everyone. If your Infinix phone is stuck in safe mode and your power button isn't working, don't worry, there are still several ways to get your phone back to normal. In this video, I'll show you the easiest methods that work on most Infinix models, and you won't need to repair the power button first.